If you relate to even one of these signs, it's time for a new bra. We've all been there, tugging at uncomfortable straps or itching to take off a bra the minute we get home. You are not alone. In fact, studies show that up to 80% of women are wearing the wrong bra size. I know how frustrating it can be, and I'm here to help you spot the signs and find a fix. Let's walk through 5 telltale signs that your bra isn't fitting as it should, plus some friendly tips and a bit of measuring to guide you to a better fit. 1. Straps keep slipping off your shoulders. Do your bra straps constantly slip down, no matter how often you pull them back up? This is a classic sign something's off with the fit. It often happens when the straps have stretched out over time, or when your bra band is actually too big. A band that's too loose lets the straps fall slack and slide off, especially if you have narrow or sloping shoulders. The fix. First, adjust the strap length if you haven't already. Your strap should be snug enough that you can fit one finger underneath, no tighter. If tightening doesn't solve the slippage, consider trying a smaller band size. Remember, the band is where most support comes from. For example, if you wear a 36B and the straps keep slipping, you might need to try a 34C instead, going down a band size and up a cup size to maintain the same cup volume. A correctly fitted bra relies on the band for about 80% of the support, so the straps are just a backup. When your band fits well, the straps will stay in place without you having to constantly fuss with them. And speaking of the band doing the heavy lifting, let's check if your band is sitting where it should. Take a look in the mirror at your bra's back band. Is it staying level around your torso or creeping up toward your shoulders? A band that rides up is a sure sign the band is too loose. Your bra band should sit straight and parallel to the floor all the way around your back. If it's making a smile shape higher in back than in front, it means the band isn't giving enough support. What happens is the weight of your bust pulls the front of the bra down, and the loose band in back slides upward, often bringing the straps with it. This is one of the most common bra fit issues. The fix: you'll want a firmer band. Try fastening your bra on a tighter hook. Or better yet, move to a smaller band size for a true fix. For instance, if a 36 band rides up, a 34 band should fit more snugly. Remember that sister sizing trick. When you go down a band size, go up one letter in cup to keep the same cup volume, e.g. 36B and 34C. A good test for band fit is that you should only be able to slip 2 fingers underneath the back of the band comfortably, no more. Once your band fits correctly, it will stay put and give you the support you need, so your straps don't have to take all the strain. Now that the band is sorted, let's talk about the cups, because they have their own ways of telling you something's not right. Your bra cups should fully contain your breasts, no overflow, but also no empty gaps. If you're seeing the dreaded quad boob effect, when your breasts bulge over the top of the cups or spill out the sides, your cups are too small. On the flip side, if there's wrinkling or gaping in the cups, perhaps a gap at the top or loose fabric, then your cups are too large for your breast volume. Both scenarios are signs of a wrong-sized cup. It might not be immediately obvious, especially if the difference is slight, but even a small size mismatch can impact your comfort and shape under clothes. The fix: for spillage and overflowing cups, go up at least one cup size. For example, if you're falling out of a 34B, try a 34C, or even 34D, until all your breast tissue fits inside the cup without bulging. If your cups are gaping or have extra room, try dropping down a cup size, e.g. 34D to 34C. Also consider the style of bra. Sometimes a full coverage cup might gape on breasts that are not as full on top, in which case a demi-cup or balconette style could fit better. The goal is a smooth line where the cup ends. Your breasts should neither spill out nor swim in there. When you find that sweet spot, you'll notice your silhouette looks and feels much better. So we've covered straps, band, and cups. Another unmistakable sign of a poor fit comes from something you can feel: the underwire. An underwire bra shouldn't feel like a torture device. The wire is meant to sit comfortably around the base of your breasts, following your natural curve, and it should lie flat against your chest in the center. If your underwire is poking or digging into your skin, under your bust, at the sides, or poking your breast tissue, then the bra is not the right size for you. You might also notice the center gore, the bit between the cups, not laying flat, which often goes hand in hand with an ill-fitting underwire. Simply put, you should barely notice the underwire during your day. Any pain means something's wrong. Why it happens? Often, an underwire digging in means the cup is too small. The wire ends up sitting on breast tissue it shouldn't. Or it could mean the band is too big or too small. A band that's too loose lets the wire move around, and a band that's too tight can press the wire uncomfortably into your ribs. Sometimes the bra's design just isn't a match for your body shape. Not all underwires have the same shape or width. And if the bra is old and the wire has bent out of shape or is coming through the fabric, it's definitely time for a replacement. The fix first. Determine if it's a size issue. Try a larger cup size so the underwire encircles all your breast tissue, instead of sitting on top of it. Ensure the band is snug, but not painfully tight. When you put on a bra, scooping all your breast tissue into the cups can help the wire sit correctly. If you still experience poking, consider trying a different bra style, or one with a more comfortable underwire design, or even a wireless bra for everyday comfort. You deserve support without pain. The right size and style will have the underwire lying flat and supporting you, and you'll forget it's even there. Finally, let's look at a more general sign: how your bra makes you feel throughout the day. Beauty is pain should not apply to your bra. If you can't wait to rip your bra off every evening, or you have red marks on your skin from the straps or band, your bra is doing you wrong. Sure, a bra might leave mild impressions after a full day, like sock marks on your ankle, but it shouldn't pinch, stab, or constantly annoy you. Discomfort is a clear sign of a poor fit. Perhaps the band is so tight it's rubbing and marking your skin, or the straps are digging into your shoulders leaving indentations. Maybe the whole bra just feels like a cage you need to escape. The right bra, by contrast, should feel supportive yet comfortable, almost like a second skin. The fix: don't resign yourself to suffering. You deserve comfort. Check the specific problem. Red marks on your shoulders? Loosen the straps a bit, or get a larger cup so the band and cups do more work. Over-tightening straps is a common mistake. Red marks around your ribcage? Your band might be too small. Try one band size up, and remember to downsize the cup if you do a band up, e.g. 34C to 36B, to keep cup volume consistent. If an underwire is causing the marks, refer back to sign 4, likely a size or style change is needed. The bottom line is that a well-fitted bra should not be painful. It's possible to have support and comfort together. Truly, when you find a bra that fits correctly, you'll be supported, and you might even forget you're wearing one. Now, if any of these signs made you nod along in recognition, it's definitely time to check your bra size. Let's fix. I have left a link in the description for a step-by-step guide on a quick at-home measurement. I hope these tips help you feel more confident about finding a bra that truly fits. I understand how life-changing a comfortable bra can be. It boosts your confidence, improves posture, and just makes your day better. We at Shajan are passionate about helping you find your perfect fit. It's what we do, and we're happy to do it. Remember, it's not about chasing a certain size number or letter. It's about how you feel in the bra. You deserve to feel supported and at ease. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. If you found even one of these tips helpful, I'd be delighted if you subscribe to our channel for more honest, down-to-earth advice. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. It encourages us to keep sharing helpful guides with you. And perhaps share this with a friend who might be struggling with her bra comfort. She'll thank you later. At the end of the day, a good bra is about feeling good in your own skin. Here's to comfortable, confident you. Thank you again, and see you next time.